Hey, you want a chicken roll better than what Kaku in the streets make? Join me as we make the ultimate chicken roll at home and learn some useful tips as you watch. Take cleaned boneless chicken to which add ginger paste, garlic paste, chopped green chilies as per your heat tolerance, and chopped coriander leaves. For the spices, add coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, a bit of MSG, salt as per your preference, a bit of chili sauce for the street flavor, and squeeze in juice of half a lemon. To bind all this, add a beaten egg and mix all the ingredients and let it marinate for a minimum of 15 minutes. While this marinates, we will make the dough for the roll. Take refined flour, add salt and sugar to give the parathas that brilliant golden brown color. Add a teaspoon of refined oil to this. Quick tip here, do not add too much oil to the dough as this will make the parathas too flaky and will splinter when you will roll. After mixing the ingredients, add water to this in batches and knead a soft dough. It will take about 5 minutes of vigorous kneading to get a desirable soft dough and a good workout for your arms. After the dough is made, add a bit of refined oil and coat it completely so that it does not dry out when you rest it. Rest the dough for 15 minutes covered with a wet cloth. By this time, your chicken would be ready for frying. Take refined oil for deep frying and when it's smoking hot, add the chicken pieces in it. Another tip here, do not overcrowd the kadhai while frying so that the chicken pieces cook evenly. As you can see, there will be excess marinade that will float to the outer edges of the kadhai. Gently remove them with a perforated spoon so that they do not burn. After 2 minutes of frying, as the chicken pieces turn golden brown, take them out of the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towel to drain the excess oil. The parathas for the rolls are layered and I will show you an easy for home technique to do this. On an evenly flour dusted surface, take a portioned dough ball and roll it out as thin as possible. Then add about a teaspoon of refined oil on one side of the dough and spread it evenly. Then sprinkle some refined flour over it. Now fold one small strip over another as shown and stretch and tuck the end of the dough in the middle. Sprinkle some more flour over it and press the dough firmly and keep it to rest for 5 minutes. A good chicken roll is a complete meal, so it needs a good salad for its filling. For this, we take sliced onions and add carrots cut into matchsticks. Sliced and quartered cucumber with its peel for the extra fibers. Chopped tomatoes. Some chopped chilies. Chopped coriander leaves. A healthy sprinkling of chaat masala. And finally some lemon juice. Mix them well and keep them aside for later. Now, on a flour dusted surface, take the layered dough ball we had made and using the rolling pin, gently stretch and roll out the dough. A quick tip here, do not apply too much pressure while rolling now, else the layers will assimilate back into the dough. Once you are satisfied with the size of the paratha, place it on a hot tawa using a rolling pin. Keep rotating the paratha on the hot tawa, making sure all the edges are completely cooked. Use a dry cloth or a spoon for this and do not try to do this with your fingers as it takes a lot of practice. Once both the sides of the parathas are grilled, you will see golden brown spots. Add refined oil to the sides and fry it. If you want, you can also use ghee at this point. Once the paratha is fried, take it off the tawa and place it on a food wrapping paper. Now add the fried chicken pieces. Toss in a handful of salad. Add some green chili sauce and some tomato ketchup. Now take all the fillings to the side and tightly roll it. Remember, if it's not tight, it's not right. Similarly, roll the food wrap around it and tuck in the paper on the bottom so that nothing from the roll falls out. Add some extra salad on the top and our ultimate chicken roll is done.